Stop letting potential customers slip through the cracks. Let's automate your Facebook leads directly into your Gmail inbox. In today's fast-paced digital world, quick follow-up is key to converting leads, and manual data entry is a major bottleneck. This tutorial will show you how to use Zapier to connect your Facebook lead ads to your Gmail account, ensuring you get notified of every new lead instantly. We'll be using an automation tool called Zapier, the bridge that connects your favorite apps. Think of it as your personal digital assistant, ready to do the heavy lifting for you. First things first, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Select Facebook lead ads. As your trigger application, this means your automation will start when someone fills out a lead form on Facebook. Next, you'll need to choose the trigger event for this setup. We'll select New Lead. Zapier will then guide you through connecting your Facebook account if you haven't already. Now, you'll need to specify which Facebook page and which specific lead form you want to monitor for new submissions. Make sure you select the correct ones that are actively generating leads for you. Zapier will then pull in a sample lead from your chosen form. This is a crucial step to ensure the connection is working correctly and that Zapier is recognizing the data you need. Okay, now for the action. We want to send this lead information straight to your Gmail, so in the action step, search for and select Gmail. For the Gmail action, we'll choose Send Email. This will allow us to craft a personalized email that will be sent to you every time a new lead comes in. This is where the magic happens. In the To field, enter your own Gmail address for the subject. You can create something informative like New Facebook Lead Received. Now, in the body of the email, you can pull in the specific information from your Facebook lead form. For instance, you can have it say Name Facebook Lead Name, Email Facebook Lead Email, and Phone Facebook Lead Phone Number. This ensures you have all the vital details at your fingertips. Once you've configured your email, it's time to test this action. Zapier will send a test email to your Gmail, so you can see exactly how it will look. And there you have it. A new email hitting your inbox with all the details of your latest Facebook lead. You can now follow up with your leads promptly and efficiently, significantly boosting your conversion rates. By automating this process, you save valuable time, reduce the risk of human error, and ensure no valuable lead goes unnoticed. Start leveraging this integration today and watch your business grow.